So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Nafiz here and I am back here with another video of my web development series. In this lecture we will see how to add some attributes to our table. In our previous lecture we saw how we can implement a table in our website. So in this lecture we will see how we can customize the table according to our needs. So first of all, please do subscribe to my channel if you are new to my channel and turn on the bell icon for my future video notifications. So let's get started with today's video. We can see that our table is so compact and so small. So we will first increase the size of our table. So increase the size of our table, we need the attribute called style first. First we will write the style here. Inside the style we will define the height. So HEI, height. So we will give the height of 400 pixel. We will give the height of 400 pixel. Now if we save this, you can see the height has changed to 400 pixel. And now we'll give another width. Width will be also 400 pixel. Making a square here. So this is the 400 by 400 pixel table in our website, and in our website we can see that all the text are in the left side. All the text are in the left side. So now we'll align this. We need to align this text to the middle. So we need to align this in the middle. So for that we have to go to the first row. So for each table we need to align all the data inside that column in the specific rows. So what we'll do, we'll write, or we can do in specific columns if we want. So columns are so hard to do, so we'll do in the row here. So we will write align. So align also we'll give it to center. And if we save this, we can see that the first row all the data are in the middle. We can do all we can do all the all the other rows data to the middle. So we will simply copy and paste this. And if we save this, we can see that all the data, I miss one. So all the data are in the middle of our table. So this is how we can align all the data and we can arrange them in the middle. So if we maximize our website, we can see that our table is at the left side of our website. So we need the table to the middle. So what we can do in our VS Code, in our table tag, so we need the whole table to be aligned somewhere. So in our table tag we'll write align, we'll write the center and set. In our browser we can see that the table has come to the center of our web page. So there is another tag I didn't show you in my previous lecture, that the first row of a table is called the table header. So instead of writing the trtd tag here, we can write th here for table head. th for table head. Name another th for number, and another th for the address. So if I set this, we can see that the first rows data are bold and it's standing out. So it's called the table head. So this is the table head and these are the table data, and this is the table, and this one is the table caption. So in our next lecture we will see how we can color this and make some spacing and padding to our table. This was all for today's video. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.